Hello everyone. Well, I finally finished my snippet roll. So, Paula, it will be on its way first of next week. And I hope you're feeling better and have been able to have time to do what you were doing. So, this is my snippet roll, all rolled up. I used some excuse me, some lavender and white twine so that if she wants to hang it on the wall, she can hang it on the wall. Otherwise, she can set it on a table. And I really want this to fold differently here. So that it falls like that, so that the button and the latch are kind of in the front. Okay, so let me show you what else I did. I put the latch and the button on it so that all you have to do is take the ribbon off of the button and the whole thing will unroll. Now I've got my twine a little bit tight, but there we go, all unrolled. I did add a few more items. I added this amber stone here. I added this yellow dangly earring here. This little dangly earring. Oops. Hold on one second. It popped off. I think I'm going to have to put another back on that before I mail it. But that little gold one down here at the bottom I added. And on the outside, I had this clipped up here like this on the outside. So that is my completed snippet roll. I hope that Paula enjoys it. And I'm glad I'm finished. It seemed like it took me forever. Of course, I was busy cleaning the house and all kinds of other things. But one last look here. And the back side. Okay, now I'm going to fix that one earring, and then you just roll it up. I know you can't see this, but you just roll it up. I do it on the table. I haven't got my twine worked quite loose enough yet to roll on the rolling pins like it should. But that's the way it goes. It will eventually work out that way. And once again, there it is, all completed. Now she can hang it on the wall when it's open with the string, or she can hang it closed, or she can set it on a table. So thank you everyone for joining me. I hope that it was helpful in some ways to a few of you. I know that it's quite a different way of doing it than a lot of people do, and there are a lot of wonderful videos out there to help you learn how to make them if you don't like this particular style. They're a lot of fun to make, and they're fairly simple. Um, so everyone have a good day, be crafty, and I will catch you again real soon. Bye.